Hey Stompers, I just wanted to give you a little preview. This is a first of a couple videos I'll do of some of the sounds that are in the Stomp Box Fuzz. We're just going to do a couple potent pairings here. We're going to do the sound 1 on channel 1 and sound 2 on channel 2, and then together. Sound 1 on channel 1 is, it's real basic. It's clean to a little bit gritty. We had to make one that wasn't, you know, total balls to the wall. One cleans up, has a lot of output. Let's go ahead Now, side 2. Little different. This one is splatty. And the gain actually controls the texture more than the actual gain itself. And now let's put them together. That's what I'm talking about.